Hello everyone, today I'm going to show in this video tutorial how I got Space Sleeper Cocoon game on my iPhone. I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial how you can download the game worldwide in any country without a problem. So I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial how you can do it. So just make sure you watch this video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow in order to download the game. I'm going to open the game real quick so you can see that everything works and runs perfectly, and then we'll go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to get the game and play it in your mobiles also. So as you can see, I already entered inside of the game and everything works and runs perfectly. I'm going to open a game so you can see it. Start to combat. And here you have also the option auto on the speed. For example, I can turn it off to play manually, or put it auto so the battle can be automatically fighting. So as you can see, the game is very nice game, guys. I downloaded it 3 days ago and I was playing a lot with it, and this is a real game, and it's not any video or something. As you can see, I come out, as you can see, I come back again, I can continue, I can go out, I can go in. So let's go immediately to show you the steps you need to follow in order to download the game and play it in your mobiles also. So before you start the loading process, guys, you need to make a check-in, which it means you need to go to settings and then to scroll it down till to the battery and make sure you are not in the lower power mode. So this yellow sign here on the top need to be switched off. Okay, this will help the downloading process of the game to be faster and smoother. So after completing this checking, you have to get back to the home menu, and then you need to go to Safari or any kind of browser that you use. You need to search for a website called freeinjex.com. This is the name of the website, guys, where I find it out the game. You just need to enter inside the website, and you are going to face a bunch of other applications inside of the website, a lot of Twitter modded apps and games. Just few seconds the website to get open. As you can see right here, there are so many of them. I'm scrolling for you right now. Later on you can check it by yourself. If you want to get any one of them, you can get it without a problem. I will go on the top to search in the searching bar. It's more easy to find for the apps, and write it down here, Space Sleeper. Here it comes, and it says download and play Space Sleeper Cocoon on iOS and Android for free, available worldwide. Press on in the middle, then press the green sign, download now. You just need to wait a couple of seconds, the loading process of the game, to process it from the website to your device, guys. So as you can see, the steps are not so difficult, quite simple and easy. Just make sure you watch the video until the end to understand all the steps you need to follow until the end. I have to mention to you one more time, the game can be downloaded also for Android devices, and the same steps are also for the Androids, as I'm showing to you in this tutorial with my iPhone. So practically for the Android are the same steps. Okay, guys, the next step is going to take you to the verification zone, same as it did it to me, and it will require in description to download and complete the instructions below in order to unlock Space Sleeper Cocoon on your device. So in order to unlock the game, we need to complete the instructions below, which it means you're going to face a couple of apps over here, and most of them, they are very popular and well-known apps, so there's nothing to get worried about it. Everything is legit and safe. So how it worked for me, practically after I downloaded these two apps and I completed the instructions, it popped up on my iPhone later on the game. So I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, so you don't get confused with everything I said before. For example, I chose Family Island, press on it, tap to install. It will connect automatically with the Apple Store in the case when you're using iOS, and Play Store in the case when you're using Android. To me, it shows the sign open because I downloaded before Family Island when I got the game for myself. To you, to show the sign of downloading, so practically all you have to do, you need to press to download the app. After you download the app, you need to open it for a few seconds, at least 30 seconds. It is enough time required that information and data process it from the website to your device, guys. So after I completed the first app, I got back to the website. I did the second app, which is Golf Rival. If you go back to the website, you're gonna see Family Island and Golf Rival over here. Also with the Golf Rival, I did the same steps as I did with Family Island. Press on it, tap to install. It will show a page to search for the app in the Apple Store. So I go there and I search for the app, I download it, and then I open it, also Golf Rival. And after I completed the second app, it popped up on my iPhone, Space Sleeper Space Sleeper Cocoon, sorry. So as you can see, it got connected and it's working perfectly good. So just one more tip before I leave: when you are in this stage, guys, in the verification zone, so you don't get confused, even if they don't show up these apps, you don't have to get stressed, because in different countries can show up different apps. So this doesn't mean you have to do exactly the same apps as I'm showing to you. You can just try it with the apps will show up in your verification zone and which one you find it more easy. So you don't have to get stressed if you don't find Golf Rival or Family Island, okay? So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, Cheers.